Is it time to buy or sell BWX Technologies stock? In this video, we are diving deep into BWX Technologies. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 16th of September, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 11th of September 2025, our system has ranked BWX Technologies as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 5.91. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a gain of 3.85%. This results in an average return of 0.96% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a robust and broad upward trend in the short term, indicating further increases are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 23.86% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging between 15.18% and 40.24%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis projects a change of around 31.23%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 18.82% to positive 39.06% over the coming year. This would place the future price somewhere between $143.41 and $245.65. Our latest daily update for BWX Technologies includes the headline, BWX Technologies Inc. stock price ended at $176.65 on Tuesday after gaining 1.35%. The BWX Technologies Inc. stock price increased by 1.35% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 16th of September, 2025, rising from $174.30 to $176.65. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.56%, with a low of $172.71 and a high of $178.85. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 10.39% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 674,000 more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 2 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $327,350,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $189.25, while the lowest price was $84.21. Currently, the price is 6.66% or $12.60 below the 52-week high of $189.25, which is also the all-time high for the stock. BWXT has secured a significant contract, a $1.5 billion award from the NNSA to construct the Deuce pilot plant. This initiative marks the beginning of efforts to create a domestic uranium enrichment capability for defense purposes. This achievement follows a strong second quarter, during which revenue increased by approximately 12% to around $764 million. Earnings per share exceeded expectations at $1.02, while management reported a record backlog nearing $6 billion. Additionally, they completed the acquisition of Connectrix and raised their outlook. In the short term, the NNSA award is expected to generate a positive reaction in the market. It enhances near-term revenue visibility, strengthens the backlog, and may lead to an immediate reevaluation as investors adjust their expectations regarding growth and contract certainty. Be prepared for volatility surrounding execution milestones, contract funding timelines, and early spending patterns. In the long term, this contract reinforces BWXT's competitive advantage. Consistent defense cash flows, increased exposure to commercial, medical, and space sectors, along with better visibility into multi-year programs, should support a premium valuation and sustained earnings growth, provided that execution and regulatory timelines are adhered to. However, Key risks that could limit potential gains include delays in programs, cost overruns, and challenges related to supply chains or regulatory issues. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 28th of May, 2025, it was reported that William Blair assigned BWXT an outperform rating with an initiate action. On Tuesday, the 27th of May, 2025, it was reported that CLSA assigned BWXT an outperform rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 1st of April, 2025, it was reported that Seaport Global assigned BWXT a buy rating with an initiate action. On Thursday, the 3rd of October, 2024, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned BWXT a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of August, 2024, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned BWXT a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned BWX Technologies stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for BWX Technologies. The stock of BWX Technologies Inc. displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal arising from the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of any downward corrections, support can be expected at $168.78 and $166.94. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical indicator. Some negative signals have also been noted, which could impact the near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 5th of August, 2025, and thus far, the stock has experienced a decline of 2.94%. Further decreases are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 30 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 82 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 85 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for BWX Technologies. BWX Technologies Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $170.94. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock is generally traded at a healthy volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is considered to be low. In the last trading day, the stock moved $6.14, which is 3.56% between its high and low points. Over the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.82%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for BWX Technologies, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could suggest that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 3rd of November 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 85 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can greatly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BWX Technologies. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BWX Technologies is at $176.76. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, BWX Technologies encounters its first support level at $170.94. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BWX Technologies from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 5th of September, 2025, Nicole Piasecki conducted an insider purchase of 574 shares of dividend equivalent rights. On the same day, Jan Birch made an insider purchase of 36 shares of dividend equivalent rights. Also on September 5th, 2025, Gerhard F. Burbach conducted an insider purchase of 194 shares of dividend equivalent rights. On that same date, John M. Richardson made an insider purchase of 1,341 shares of dividend equivalent rights. Lastly, Leland D. Melvin conducted an insider purchase of 1,251 shares of dividend equivalent rights on the 5th of September, 2025. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power appears positive, with a ratio of 2.870. In total, insiders purchased 119,605 shares and sold 108,115 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $169.25, reflecting a decline of 4.19%. This stock exhibits low daily movements, which indicates a lower risk level. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 29 days ago. Is BWX Technologies stock a good buy? BWX Technologies Inc. presents several positive signals and is currently within a strong upward trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we see it as a favorable choice at these current levels and anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. However, after analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is considered overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 17th of September, we expect BWX Technologies to open lower by 58 cents, starting at $176.07. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.